Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 9, measure of length. Measure of length. So we know that 1 km is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So the standard unit of fill up. The standard unit of length is km, that is kilometer. Second is the smaller unit of length is, that is centimeter or millimeter also that. And then third, there are 1000 meter in 1 kilometer, 1000 meter. And then fourth part, that 100 centimeter in that 1 meter. And then second question, find the sum. So that 40 meter and 50 meter. So 42 meter plus 50 meter, that will be 2 plus 0 2, 5 plus 4 9 meter. Second part, 402 meter plus, that is 64 meter, is equal to, that will be addition of this 4 to 6, 6 plus 0 6 and then 4 meter, 466 meter. And then third part is 208 meter plus 46 meter is equal to 8 6 14, carry 1 4 1 5 and then 2 meter. Fourth part, that 35 centimeter plus 45 centimeter plus 55 centimeter is equal to, that will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 15, carry 1 5 4 9 1 10, 3 13 meter, centimeter. And then fifth part also there. Fifth part you can do that 1 for you. And then question number 1, which unit of length is to be used to express that? Length of pencil, that is a centimeter. Length of your book, centimeter. Distance between two cities, kilometer. Height of Qutub Minar, meter. Height of building, meter. Length of your finger, centimeter. Length of a train, meter. Height of a big tree, meter. Length of your book, centimeter. Depth of an ocean, that is meter or kilometer, both you can write. And then question number 2, next exercise 9.2, that is convert into meter. 16 kilometer is equal to, that you will be place when you will be convert that kilometer in meter. So that will be 16 multiply 1000 meter. So that will be 16,000 meter. And then 21, that is third part. Now this is the third part, 46 km is equal to 46 multiply 1000 meter. So that will be 46 and 000 meter. And then fourth part is that 45 kilometer and 250 meter also is there. So 45 multiply 1000 plus 250 meter, and then 45,000 plus 250 meter. So that will be 45250 meter. And then last one, 6, fourth part done by yourself. That is 98 km 200 m. That is 98 multiply 1000 plus 200. So that is 98,000 plus 200 m. So that will be 98200 m meter. Third question, convert into centimeter. Here we will multiply by, that is 100. 40 meter is equal to 40 into 100 centimeter. So that 4000 centimeter. And then third part, second part you will do at home. 81 meter 20 centimeter is equal to 81 into 100 plus 20 centimeter. So that 8100 plus 20 centimeter. So 8120 centimeter. And then fourth part, fourth part again you will do at home. 90 meter 18 centimeter. So that is 90 into 100 plus 18 centimeter. So that is 9000 plus 18 centimeter. So that 9018 centimeter. And then sixth part you can do, no problem will be there. Question number 4, that convert into meter and centimeter. Meter and centimeter, that will be 250 centimeter is equal to, see that last two digit will be go in meter centimeter and then other digit will be come in meter. So that 50 centimeter. This last two digit will be go for same in centimeter and then other digit will come in meter. That is a first. And then second part, 768 centimeter. So that is a 7 meter 68 centimeter. Third part, 940 centimeter is equal to 9 in meter and 40 in centimeter. And then fourth part, 2520 centimeter. So that last two digit will go in centimeter, other in meter. And then fifth part, that 7241 centimeter. So that 72 in meter and 41 in centimeter. Last part, that 8005 centimeter. So that first two digit in meter and then last two digit in centimeter. So 05 centimeter, and no need to write the 0 here. Next 9.3, that 9.3 is addition. Addition, that is very simple, no problem will be here. First, that meter, centimeter, 8, 12, 15, 26, and then plus, that will be 6 to 8, 1, 3, 8, 5, 13, and then carry. That will be and then third part, this is the first part, second part done by yourself, centimeter, 50, 17, 45, 51, then plus 718, 51, 6, 5, 54, 9, and then fifth part, km, and then m, 40 km, 350 m, 18 and 380, then plus 0, 85, 13, 336, 17, 8, and then 415. Now the question number second, sixth part done by yourself, no problem will be here, very easy is this. Rahim traveled 450 km by train, 56 km and 500 meter by car, 8 km and 480 meter by scooter. What is the total distance? So total distance will be that km and then m. First that 450 and then 000 we will write here because meter is not given. 56, 500 and then 8, 480 and then add all 0, 8, 9, 8, 6, 14, 5, 5, 10, 1, 11, that 514.980. Third question, that also we will add that 2 roll of electric wire contain this meter and this diameter wire of that respectively. What is the total length? So total length will be meter and centimeter. So meter is 80 and 20 and then 86 meter, 56 centimeter and then add 6, 7, 6, 16, 116 meter, 76 centimeter. Fourth question, John cover a distance 180, 500 meter by train and then 228 km, 250 meter by bus. How much distance did the cover altogether? So that is km, m. So that is a 180, 550, then 28, 250 and then add 0, 5, 5, 10, 5 to 7, 1, 8, 8, 10, 2, 208 km, 800 meter and then 9.4, that is multiple choice. First answer is C, second answer is B. That second question, subtraction, that meter, centimeter, 89, 26 and then minus 73, 10, 6 less 0, 6, 2 less 1, 1, 9 less 3, 6, 8 less 7, 1. This is the first part. And then third part, second part done by yourself, that meter, centimeter, 59, that is 96 and then 28 and then 46 and then minus 6 less 6, 0, 9 less 4, 5 and then 9 less 8, 1, 5 plus 2, 3 and then fifth part, km, m, and m, 18 km, 250 m, 12 km, 160, that is m. 0 less 0 0, then 15 less 6, that 15 less 6, that will be 9, 2 less 1, 1 less 1, 0, and then 8 less 2, 4, 1 less 1, 0. 4 km 90 meter. And then question number 3rd. Third will be that a tailor had 560 meter thread. He used 428 meter 50 centimeter in one day for stitching cloth. How much thread was left? So that will be meter centimeter. So that is a 560, and then centimeter is not given, so that is 0 0. 428, that is 50, and then subtract 0 less 0 0, 10 less 5 5, that is 9, 9 less 8 1. Now this is a 5, 5 less 2 3, and then 1, 131 meter 50 centimeter. Now that 4th question. Rita is 1 meter 80 centimeter tall and her father is 1 meter 76 centimeter tall. Who is taller? So obviously father is taller, that is meter centimeter. So father 1 meter 76 centimeter, that is 1 meter 18. Another subtraction by carry, this will be 8, and then 6 less 1 5, and then this is the 0. Father, we will write here father, that is how many? 58 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay.